Outcomes of this lecture are to learn how we can insert a part into multi-body part using multi-body mate options. So this is a simple base part. You can download it from our resource file. So after open it in Solidworks, just go to command bar and load insert part command. Write insert and click here insert part. Now you can go browse. From here select template. Also you can download it. So in insert part dialog box you can see the transfer option. This is solid bodies. Yes, this is solid body. This is not surface bodies. And locate the part with move copy feature. Just check this option. Then OK. Now just go to constraint and select this face, then this face. You can see constraint mate has been applied. Add it. Again, click this surface and this surface. Add again. And then last one, just select this surface and this surface. And OK. So you can see our part has now 3 bodies. This is first one, second one, and this is the last one that was added using insert part into a multi-body part. Again go to load insert part tool, write insert in command bar, and here is the insert part command. From browse option, click on rod, open it. Just make sure that locate part with move copy feature is OK. So here are the mate options that we want to apply. So just select this face and this face of rod. Add again. Select this face and this face of the rod. OK. So you can see another body, that is the rod, has also been added to this multi-body part. So in this way we learned that how we can take a part as a body, or how you can insert a part into other part as a body of that part. So please make a practice of this lesson. Thank you.